How to select the best plants for your garden. Choosing the right plants for different parts of your garden can be something that's a bit problematic. Here we've got something that loves shady parts of the garden. This is heuchera. Beautiful dark foliage, and in the summertime it gives us this beautiful delicate flower. Hostas come in all colours, shapes and sizes, and here we have a beautiful array of different types. One thing to watch with hostas is slug damage, and you can use slug pellets quite easily. Here we have them all in pots, so you can move them around the garden. Acers are ideal for container grown plants in your garden. They come in lots of different colours of burgundy, green, they come in pale greens, and in the autumn the leaves change colour and gives you a different dimension to your colour in your borders. How about this idea? Lovely space-saving shelving setup to show off all your lovely plants. This little sweet herb pot, perfect for sitting outside the kitchen, right beside your door, so you can pick out all the herbs you need straight away, fresh for your cooking. Try choosing something like this clematis. Beautiful colours, gorgeous flowers, and they climb so quickly, giving a bit of height and colour to metal frames like this. Add some fragrance to your garden with some beautiful climbing roses. Make some room in your garden for some fruit trees. This is a very small cordon apple. It doesn't take up lots of room, but gives you lots of apples in the autumn. Dahlias are superb cut flowers. You can choose pom-poms or different styles of shape, complement them with different colours of plants, and you have the perfect bouquet for your garden. Brighten up a dull wall in your garden with a hanging basket. It provides stunning colours all through the summer. Just make sure you water them regularly. How about growing some lavender in your garden? It's a perfect attractant for bees and pollinators. It also provides a lovely fragrance.